Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the following. Bia, El Prisco.
Like a bird on
Please
a tree.
visit our playlists. YouTube tips.
I'm just sitting here.
Photoshop with t-shirt printing,
I got
military news update,
time.
makeup tutorials,
It's clear to
Filmora
see.
video editing tutorials, Corel Draw with t-shirt
From
printing,
up here.
cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials,
World
sorry,
seems small.
skincare,
We can
travel
sit
vlog.
together. It's so beautiful. You
Let us do the usual preparation before printing our design. In our previous t-shirt printing videos in photographic design, you noticed that I did not use white underbase color. White underbase color is necessary when we print our design into a dark colored t-shirt. This is to save ink from the desired color of our design. After getting the desired result for our underbase, clean the screen. In our case, I used kerosene to remove the excess ink, then I used wet wipes and dry cloth to remove the excess kerosene. Unlike in my previous videos on photographic t-shirt printing, I used to apply more strokes and coating, just to get my desired output. Another disadvantage without white underbase color, is that, the design get easily cracked due to too much ink deposit. So, with the help of white underbase color, we will get easily the desired color for our design with just few strokes and coatings. This means, savings, and less struggle to get our desired result. And always, don't forget to apply heat press, to make our design firm and glossy. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.